Hey guys, here's a quick update on the FTMO challenge account. So I'll just play the clips from the last two trades. They were both winners. All right, so the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen trade just hit its profit target, and the other one on the US dollar against Canadian dollar, let's check that one out. So this one is in profit. It's coming up here, but we'll have to see how it plays out. All right, quick update on the FTMO challenge account. The US dollar against the Canadian dollar trade just hit its profit target on this big green candle. And now the account is up by 2.38% or $238, which is really good. This rate of return is more than double Warren Buffett's annual rate of return. So you're already a top tier professional trader. Anyway, let's kind of recap how this trade was taken. So we had a lower high on the price comparing this low to this low. At the same time, there was hidden divergence. So RSI made a lower low, but there was a higher low on the price. So you can see lower low on the RSI, higher low on the price. Then the stochastic cross up. So got the long entry and targeted 2 times the risk. And it just hit on this big green candle here. So good trade, and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so I'll just do a market scan here. It's Friday, so I'm always kind of a little bit more cautious on Friday, but we'll kind of see if there's any setups for me here. So starting on euro dollar as usual, looks like there actually is hidden divergence. If you look over here, RSI, and then RSI is higher, but price is clearly lower. So lower high on price, higher high RSI can take a short setup if we get a cross down. Okay, let's see, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Got to pull back here. Yeah, nothing. Looking for pullbacks. Yes. So this has a nice pullback, and it does have hidden divergence if we're comparing it to over here. But you know, I'd much rather look at this on a different time frame, a higher time frame, to get a cleaner setup. So I don't really want to take this one on a 30-minute time frame. It's just going to give, notice how many crosses up you get. It just, this type of setup just doesn't work. This is just a larger degree of pullback. So that's why it's good to use multiple time frames. If you're looking for a much larger pullback like this, then you do need to zoom out to a higher time frame so that you don't get a bunch of false signals. You can take 30-minute signals when you get them on these small moves, like these small pullbacks of a smaller degree, if you know what I'm saying. So this is just a large degree pullback. That's a higher time frame is needed to evaluate it. So here we have small degree pullbacks. These are good, and this was one of the winning trades right here. So let's check this out. Looks like we actually got an entry here. Look, we got higher low, lower low on RSI. This green candle. Oh, okay. Okay, so that one is an entry. Right here, let me just mark that down. If the price comes down a little bit, then I'll just get that entry. It hasn't really traveled much. It's a funky setup, but I'm looking at this compared to this, so we don't really have. It's not quite there. This one had it. This one had nice hidden divergence. Yeah, definitely. But obviously we've missed out on that one. That one's long gone. Long gone. Pound pairs are taken off. Okay, we got a pullback here, but you know, once again, the degree of the pullback just isn't good for the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, same with that one. Yeah, a lot of these are kind of in larger degree pullbacks where it's like you can't really get a nice setup on a 30-minute time frame. You have to zoom out to like, maybe a 4-hour, 2-hour. Might get a setup if this comes all the way down here compared to this low. Same thing here. If this comes down compared to this low, we might get hit into. Okay. All right. So I'm looking at, oh, this one's taken off. So yeah, I never got an entry on this one. Too bad I was just too late, like 20 minutes too late. If I got in on when this candle closed and then it pulled back a little bit, so I could have gotten an actual better entry on it when I got the cross up. But too bad I just checked a little bit too late. So if this candle comes down here a little bit or something, maybe I can get an entry on that, but I might just miss out on it. It's just how it goes. Don't know if I'll get an entry today. It's all right, though. It's always another opportunity. All right, so I actually got an entry on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar again, so we'll see how this plays out. As you can see, we got the hidden divergence, so we compare the lows here and then the RSI. So if we look, the lowest point on the RSI of this whole area is right here. And we get a new low on the RSI, but at the same time, price makes a higher low. So we got hidden divergence. Price is above the 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame. And of course, we got a cross up on the stochastic on this candle right here. So I just got an entry, and we will see how it plays out. 2 times the risk, of course, and let's just wait and see how it goes. All right, this time I'm actually going to end the video here, but you can see this position is going well so far. I'm already at about halfway there to the profit target, so we will see if this is a winner on the next video update. All right, this is actually ending it this time, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.